Quick update on how the construction of my workshop's going. In this video I'm putting in some diagonal bracing, which will also have the job of forming the bottom of the valleys, which will be important when it comes to putting the thatch on. So in the last video I showed a very near miss. Could have been really bad, but anyway, thankfully it wasn't. The end frames are up, the ridge pole is up, and now I've got to secure everything and start adding in more of the structural members to support the whole frame. Starting off with securing the ridge pole to the end frames.
Yeah?
Mom, can I have my own cubby house, Mom?
Well, what's Dad making right now?
Dad's making the cubby house! What? Dad's finally making us kids' cubby house.
I've been trying to get the kids involved in this build for more than a year. It's been a struggle because I don't think they've been able to see what we've been doing. When I've talked to them about let's just get these poles debarked, they've just seen it as work rather than part of a part of the process or the beginning of the process. But now that the frames are starting to go up, they're starting to see what I'm doing and they're getting a little bit more involved. Not a lot, but a little.
Okay, Arlen, can you move away, please?
Arlen, since you're there, take one of those ropes off, please.
Arlen, give it to Dad. Oh, he's trying. Well done, Arlen.
Now right at the moment I'm lashing the ridge pole to the end frame, but that by itself isn't going to make the frame much more secure.
Mom, Dad, are you being careful up there?
Yep. Hey Arlen,
Yeah?
come here. That pole, this one I got my hand on,
Yeah?
can you pick up the bottom of it?
Sure.
And put it on the bricks. Alright, beautiful. Okay, so
Dad.
that's the middle.
Yep.
Sure?
Nope.
This is a zombie baby.
This would be a really cool cub and scout project.
Now these diagonals that I'm putting in are going to work as braces, but they're also going to end up being the valleys in the dormers. One of the natures of this sort of crux frame construction is you lose a lot of room in the corner, not a lot of headroom, especially for someone like me who's 2 meters tall, 6'7". That can be a big issue. So while I've got a straight gable running the length of the building, on either side I've actually got a full dormer coming out, which is going to give me a lot more headroom. Now when those dormers are formed, that's also going to form 4 different valleys. And the bottom of each of those valleys is going to be one of these diagonal braces. I got this end, and the other end needs to go up on the bricks. Arlen, help play.
So there's bricks?
Yep.
Oh, no. Oh, get in. Come on. Oh, get behind there.
Oh,
Stop recording?
I've now got to just lash the bottoms here and there. In the next video, I'm going to be laying in some of the horizontal timbers that will be supporting the loft floor. These are chunkier timbers than the poles, and why they're chunkier I'll be going into in the video to come. So if you want to see that and how I hold those timbers in place while I secure them, because they've got to be held in exactly the right place, because that's where they're going to be to support the floor. If you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so when it comes out, you'll get notified, hopefully. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you're enjoying this journey, and I'll catch you guys in the next video or online in the comments. Bye-bye.